as well, and have a good trading week. This video I'm going to be showing you why I took this short on ES from this high down to these lows here, and why I entered and how I got my buyers to go short. So let's get straight into it. I used the 15 and the 5 to gain my bias, session bias as you say. So straight away, price is traded just before New York Open. It's traded up into this price area here. Okay, look to the left, price here. These three candles trades up, taken out, or doesn't take out that buy side there, but it runs into this SIBI here. So it runs into the SIBI before changing its state. So it ran up to run into this SIBI, and then change the state. So this is an order block. So I drew that across as an order block. So prices ran into this here, the bearish order block. Is then has a SIBI here and a SIBI there where price taps into the SIBI. Okay. Now I'm looking for potential buy side. So I want to see buy side liquidity get taken first before looking for shorts. There's that buy side there. So it's minor buy side, but it still counts as buy side there. So buy side's been taken, the SIBI's been tapped into, the order block's been tapped into as well. So now I'm just waiting for a bearish candle, that one there. Okay, so that's the bearish candle at 9:05, the closure at 9:05. Let's get the replay onto that there. Okay, so 9:05, this candle here, and then once I've seen that candle, I'll then go into the 1 minute time frame, and these three candles here runs this high, right? So does it take that high as well? Takes that high as well, literally by a pipette, basically by a teeny tick. Well, it doesn't even take that high actually. It takes these highs here. So it takes these highs. This one gets left, but this is minor buy side. Okay, so it's taking that minor buy side and it's changing state and delivery. So this three candles here on the 1 minute time frame is a bearish order block. So now what I want to do is just wait for price to run back into that. And I'm sure you guys know my entry by now. But you can, after this candle here, that's when I know it wants to run lower. So these equal lows down here, relatively equal low. Look to the left, some more sell side here. So draw from high, which is there, to the low, and you want to be selling into this area here. So you guys probably have your own setup. As long as you're selling in this area here, so you can actually map it out and just find a setup for you guys if you want. So from these two areas here, so from 38.5 to 30.5, see if you guys can find yourself a setup of your own. I will show you my setup now though. So I found my bearish order block on the 1, so I'll go down to the 5 second time frame. I know it sounds very scary, very fast, but it's not. It's quite simple. So trade away. Let me go into the 15 quickly just to speed it up. So I want to wait for it to run back into here, this area, which it does here. Okay, so it's ran into this, go into the 5 seconds. Now I'm waiting for a breaker to happen. So it could be high, low, high, high. I'll wait for this low to get taken. Then these candles be a breaker. But at the minute, there's no breaker happening. So again, got to be patient. Okay, so now high, low, ran back into the order block. Ran back into the order block. If this low here gets taken, then that becomes a breaker. So let me just map out that low. Okay, there. So high, low, high, high, low, low, breaker. Is there a fair value gap inside? Fair value gap here. So this could be your entry. I missed this entry, so I'll tell you how I got into it. So partials there, and down there is your target. Does it tap you in? Doesn't even tap me in that one. So that would have been a mistrade. And I'll show you how I got in a second as well. Okay. So that one there would have been a missed opportunity. That would be selling from the proper high. How I got in is, remember, from here to the draw liquidity, this is where you're selling. Okay. So let me just do this. Okay. Let's make it that color. Okay. So anywhere in this golden area is where I'll be selling from. Price here has ran into this volume imbalance here, and pulled lower. So these candles here is a bearish order block. Draw that across. So bearish order block, price is trading inside the bearish order block here. Let's see if it wants to leave it. Okay. So is there a breaker here? High, low, high, high, lower, low, breaker, fair value gap in here. One more fair value gap here. Look at the bodies. Okay. Oh, trying to change that one. So pretty sure that was my entry anyway. Let me just get out of that now. Yeah, there you go. That was my entry right there. So high, low, high, high, lower, low. Breaker, there, fair value gap, there, entry. Targeting, going to the 5. And then pretty sure it was this low here. Actually no, it was this low, I'm pretty sure targeted. At 23. So it was this low. All the way over there on the 5. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe. There will be the video of me trading as well. So like it'll be fast forwarded anyway. Shout out to ICT. See if you guys can find yourself a trade setup as well. Just not just mine. See if you can find other setups as well. And if you take a look at Nasdaq absolutely melted from the open here. So look at this here, 9:30 open, starts melting down. So I had a feeling ES as well would want to catch up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe. If you celebrate Thanksgiving, then I hope you have a great day tomorrow and have a good weekend. And I will be back hopefully next week. So yeah, take care, be safe.